This is my version of the 250 24-volt e-bike conversion kit. I did mine all custom. I still have the gears at the back, and I mount my motor right here, and my batteries are mounted inside of the frame. These don't work anymore. This is a jack shaft reduction. Still in the testing stage. It run fine, good speed, but the bike was a junk bike, and now the bike needs to be serviced, brakes, tires, and stuff. But I tested, and it works good. I'll update that my finals on it when I'm finished.